Xin ciao, sandwich fans. It's Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad here again today. And we haven't made one of these in a while. Let's make ourselves a bánh mì. First things first, I had the lad julienne some daikon and carrot. Rub those in some salt and sugar. Quick rinse. And into some sugar and vinegar and into the fridge. Next, we'll take a supermarket baguette. Decide on a section to use. Cut it open. And we start with a layer of pate, spread like so. Now for our filling today, we're going to use some pulled pork I made with some 5-spice, and we're going to mix it up in this Japanese-style barbecue sauce. If you want the recipes for those, I'll put them in the comments. If you're wondering why they weren't pre-mixed, it's because my family doesn't like my cooking. Set up and start loading up our bánh mì. Next, on the top, I'm going to add some sriracha mayo. Now we can start with the veggies. First, some cucumbers, our pickled carrot and daikon. For our pickled carrots and daikon, we put on some fresh jalapeno, or in this case pickled, because that's all I have today. Right, lad? And finally, a butt-ton of cilantro, because I love cilantro. Do not hold back your cilantro hate in the comments. I thrive on it. Next, we close it up. Take a moment to admire. Are you singing? Yes, applesauce. Cut diagonally and reveal. Oh, yes. All right. And now, the taste test. You know, people often ask me, Sandwich Dad, what's your favorite sandwich? And I say, my sandwiches are like my kids. I couldn't possibly pick a favorite. But it's the bánh mì. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!